All right. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Curiosity Corner. My name is Jared, and I'm here at the Great Lakes Science Center. Now, the center is closed because of everything that's going on, but we still want you guys to be able to have fun and to learn some fun science things. So, with that in mind, we're going to talk about the 3 laws of motion today. To help me with that, we have my buddy, the fire tornado. We'll get to him in a minute. First things first, though, what are the 3 laws of motion? Well, we'll go through them. First law of motion is an object at rest will stay at rest, and an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted on by an outside force. What that means is that whatever a thing is doing, it wants to keep doing that thing, unless you mess with it. So, for example, our tornado here is just sitting. It's not doing anything, it is at rest. But if I exert a force upon it, I can disturb it, changing it from an object in rest into an object in motion. Now, that ties right into our second law, which is that a force is equal to mass times acceleration. That means that all forces that act upon something have to agree before anything's going to move. So right now, gravity is the force exerting itself on our tornado, pulling it down. I'm exerting a force, pushing, making it spin. And if I pick it up with my mind and throw it across the room, that's using the force. Now what? Anyway, that leads to our third law of motion, which is that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. To show you what we mean, I'm going to light something on fire. Otherwise, calling it a fire tornado was a mistake. So what I have here is a pan filled with sponges. These sponges have been soaked in a classified material. It's lighter fluid. I'm kidding. There's nothing secret about it. But we're going to light it, and then we'll see what happens after that. So, lights will be coming down. There they are. Come on, Mr. Cage. You can do it. Here we go. All right. Now we'll give this a spin. Well, that never gets old. So, what happened is that as our tornado spun, air pushed in and our fire from all sides. And with that force exerted, all our fire had one place to go, and that was up. Kind of like when you squeeze Play-Doh in your hand and it spreads out, that's what's happening to our tornado. Air is being pushed on, force being exerted on all sides, which forces it to go upwards. Let's see it again. Now, theoretically, I could do this forever, but we don't have time for that. So, lights are going to come back up. Wonderful. Now, we're going to put our fire out. Now, every fire needs 3 things in order to function. It needs a source, it needs oxygen, and it needs some kind of igniter. This was our igniter. The sponges are our source, so the only way that I can stop this fire, without just letting it burn uncontrollably, is by cutting off its oxygen. And there it goes. So that's our fire tornado. We have one more thing that we're going to use to show all 3 laws of motion in action. But in order to do that, I need a friend. So, this is Newton. Say hi to that, folks. Newton. Closest we're going to get, right? Now, Newton is all 3 laws at once. His wings spin so fast that he is able to resist the force of gravity, causing him to go up. But if his wings spin a little slower, I can bring it back down. And in every action has equal opposite reaction as Good, buddy. There it is. There it is. That was Newton. Well, we hope you enjoyed our demonstration today. We're very excited about everything. Please join us every day at 10:30. We'll be hosting a new live broadcast. We have new stuff going up all the time, so please like, share, and subscribe our videos. I think that's everything. So have fun, be safe, and as always, stay curious.